What's going on, YouTube? We have the HMF XL. This is the Titan series muffler. It's not the Performance series, so this is the bigger can. I'm not sure if you can see the scale in my hand, maybe. Really well made. It has machined end caps. All the welding looks really nice, all TIG welded. Really thick flange. The muffler's hot right now, so we'll get a good start on it. This is your standard Titan series, and you can't see through this muffler at all. This is actually a chambered muffler. When you come over to the XL, just like you said, the Swamp series, try to show you. I can get a light and the camera. It's a complete glass pack. It looks like it might have a chamber somewhere right in this area, and then the glass pack probably starts somewhere around right here, goes all the way through. But this is a complete flow through muffler, while the standard Titan right here is an actual true chambered muffler, which makes sense. Probably 20% louder than stock, and this is like 100% louder than stock. So just use that for a little bit of knowledge. Let's get them out here and see how they sound. And there is no spark arrestor or quiet core in here as of right now. So let's get this thing fired up and see what it sounds like. There you have it. That was a light, medium, and hard acceleration. Of course, there's a lot of echo in this mini storage, but you can tell this sucker is loud. I would almost say it's kind of right there with the Performance series. We kept the normal Titan muffler, and we might be putting it back on because on really long rides, this could be kind of aggravating. So we've had a lot of different ATVs and side-by-sides, and loud exhaust for 8 to 10 hours at a time kind of gets old, especially with a CVT. But for racing or just like ripping, sounds pretty awesome. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.